Dear learner, in this unit, we will learn another important, object-oriented feature, polymorphism. Generally, term polymorphism means different forms. Same theory goes in programming as well. Here, we will learn polymorphism with concepts, method overloading, and method overriding. In our first example, a method in class will appear in different forms. Here, we will not change its name, but will change parameters or arguments. This scenario of defining multiple methods is termed as overloading a method or method overloading. Now, start a new program. Create class add group. Define public methods add num. In first case, provide 3 arguments. We have integer I, j, and k. Also, show sum of values in println method. Next, move to second definition of add num method. Here, provide 2 parameters. We have integer variables I and j. Also, print sum of 2 numbers in add num method. Finally, we have our third definition. Here, specify only 1 parameter. Next, print some message in method. Now, create a public class, overload. This class will have our main method. Move to main method. Create object for class, add group. Next, invoke or call method add num. First, invoke method with single parameter. Provide some value for method add num. Also, invoke methods using 3 and 2 parameters. Here remember, program will invoke methods based on number of parameters. If you pass single parameter, then add num method with single argument will be executed. Now, compile and run program. Thus, we have output for our program. Here, method overloading is a type of polymorphism and is classified under compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. Now, let's work out another interesting topic, that is, method overriding. Start a new program. Create class main class. Define a method, user info inside main class. Next, provide some message to print inside method user info. Here, create a subclass or derived class of main class. We can inherit properties of main class using keyword extends. We have syntax, class subclass extends main class. Here subclass is derived class. Also, main class is superclass or base class. Now, define a method with same name inside derived or subclass. We have method user info. Also print message using print line. Next, create a public class override. This class will have our main method. First, create an object for main class. Now, invoke method user_info using object. Next, we will override method user_info in base class with method in child class. First, create an object for child class. Assign it as reference variable of main class. We have syntax main class followed by object name equals new subclass. Next, invoke method user_info using object sub. This technique of assigning object of child class to reference variable of parent type is called upcasting. In this case, we can call methods defined in base class, but during runtime it will call derived classes overridden methods. Now, compile and run program. Thus, we have methods overridden. Here remember, method overriding is resolved at runtime of a program. Hence they come under runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. Thank you for taking this unit.